So this is I just want to show you guys, this is a fast way to install bleeder in the valley and to make it look nice too, and to make your work go fast. So here's, if you show them the finished product, I'll go on top of the worksheet trying to show you how I did it. So you run your bleeder all the way up, you leave a nice waterway again, and you simply run your tip here, right? I'm gonna get another shingle, stay right there. Right, so you see the bleeder's in, exposed side down towards the valley. Always nail up here, never nail in here, right? You always wanna nail here, because water's good, might go up a little bit in there, but never any nails anywhere near here. Nail it off. Now watch, when I do this, right? Then I put my tip here, run a parallel, boom, boom, boom. Now watch what happens when I put the next one and go all the way from the bottom, all the way up, right? A nice look, and look, it steps it off perfect. That's the 5 inches, 6 inches you need, and it's an easy way to run in the valley.